Good day, everyone! We are going to disassemble. Identify all the parts and its functions, also assemble and install Windows 10. How to disassembly and their functions. Remove the cover-off system unit. Remove the power cable. In order to connect the computer to the mains power outlet, you need power cables that link the power supply unit to the outlet. Remove the power supply. The main function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power the load. Remove the hard disk. More specifically, hard disk drives control the reading and writing of the hard disk that provides data storage. Remove the video card. Also known as a graphics card or graphics processing unit GPU, is an essential component of a computer that enables the user to view visual information on the monitor. Remove the heat sink. The purpose of using a heat sink is to properly remove heat from device components to improve device performance and extend its life. Remove the memory. Random access memory RAM is the primary internal memory of the central processing unit CPU. Your electronic device uses it for storing temporary data. Remove the CMOS battery. The CMOS battery powers your laptop's BIOS firmware, which is responsible for booting up your computer and configuring data flow. Remove the CPU. Central Processing Unit CPU. The CPU is the brain of a computer, containing all the circuitry needed to process input, store data, and output results. Remove the screw before the motherboard. A computer's motherboard is typically the largest printed circuit board in a machine's chassis. It distributes electricity and facilitates communication between and to the central processing unit CPU, random access memory RAM, and any other component of the computer's hardware. Assemble.